Question 11. Order the following numbers from smallest to greatest. 4.54, 5.44, 4.5, 432.14, 12.05, 12.1. Well, at first I'm looking at the numbers and I don't like the way they are organized. So I'm going to reorganize them in a way that's a little easier to understand by getting rid of the commas. So I'm going to start with the number that I think is the largest. I find it helpful if I read all the numbers out loud again. We have 4.54. Well, I know that this is 4 ones because it is right beside the decimal. 5.44, 4.5, 432.14, 12.05, and 12.1. Let's start by getting rid of the commas. So I'm going to start with the number that is the highest in the hundreds column. I know 4.54 does not have 100. 5.44 does not have anything in the hundreds. 4.5 does not have anything in the hundreds. 432.14. Bingo. This has something in the hundreds. So I write 4, 3, 2, drop the decimal, 1, 4. I know that this is going to be the largest number. So it will be the last number I write. Remember, we have to order them least to greatest. Next, 12.05 and 12.1. So I go through and I'm now going to look for anything. This has no hundreds and this has no hundreds. So I'm looking for something that has tens. 4, no tens. 5, no tens. 4, no tens. 12, this has tens. So I'm going to write 1 in the tens, 2, decimal. Now, which one is bigger? So I'm going to go over to my number line and I'm going to change it to 12. So I'm going to start at 12. Okay. So which one is bigger? Is it 12.05 or 12.1? So you'll notice 12.05, find that on the number line, and it is right here. 12.1, I cannot see 12.1. Well, that's because the hundredths is hidden. So if you notice, where's the first time we see 12.1? We have 12.06, 12.07, 12.08, 12.09, 12.10. You'll notice that here is the hundredths. That is, we do not need this. It's just a place value holder. So this is the first time we encounter 1/10. So this one is the larger number. 12.1 is the larger number. So that will be my second one in my group.